Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Snapchat account without email and phone number. So if you want to recover a Snapchat account without access to your email or phone number, it might be challenging, but there are a few steps that you can try. So here's a guide to help you through the process. The first one is you can just use your Snapchat usernames. For example, see here, I still remember my username. So you need to enter username instead of email or phone number in the login page. If you remember your password, you can just log in directly, but if not, you can proceed to reset it. And the second one, you can contact the Snapchat support. So just visit the Snapchat support. See, in this case, I'm going to just open my browser and find the Snapchat support. Okay, and now you can just choose I can access my account from the menu, and then here you can just choose the option I forgot my password or similar options, and then you can just scroll down and tap on yes in here. And if you want or you need help again, you can just tap on no. And after that, you can just contact the Snapchat account. You can fill the form explaining your situation, including your username and associated details like last known email or phone number and approximate date of account creations. And the third one, you can recover your email or phone. So if possible, you can try to recover the email or phone number associated with your account. If you want to do email recovery, you can use your email provider's recovery process, such as Gmail or Yahoo. And if you want to recover your phone, you can contact your service provider for assistance in retrieving your phone number. And the fourth one, you can check link account. If you link Snapchat to another service like Google or Apple, you might be able to recover your account using that login. And the fifth one, you can use a third-party password recovery services, because some tools or services claim to help recover accounts, but proceed with caution to avoid scams. So always prioritize official methods. And the sixth one, you can for the prevention tips after the recovery, if you successfully recover your Snapchat account, update your email and phone number to ones that you can access, and enable the two-factor authentication for added security. So if Snapchat support verifies your identity, they may help you regain access. So you need to be patient because it is the key during this process. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.